It's our last day here in Norwegian Encore, and we are at sea, almost to Victoria, British Columbia. Time has come that we have to pack our bags because they will pick it up today before 10 p.m. So, packing have started. We are sad to go, and this is the sign that our vacation is almost over, or at least our Alaskan cruise has come to an end. So I hope you guys had a wonderful time coming along with us as we share our 7-day Alaskan cruise with you as a family of 4, and we hope to see you until next time.
Hello, and welcome to Momsy and Boys YouTube channel. Come along with us as we spend a day at sea and our last port stop in Victoria, British Columbia. We will not be getting off the ship at Victoria because we are coming back for a few days to explore. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to follow along our travel adventure series. For now, join us as we enjoy our last full day aboard NCL Encore, and let's have fun. As we head to Victoria, the weather is warmer compared to Alaska, and the sun is out. The kids get to enjoy the splash zone area and spend some time outside by the pool. They were having live music, and it was such a nice day for everyone to get out and enjoy. After getting the kids changed to dry clothes, we head down to the theater to watch the Beatles. It was a wonderful show, taking you back the memory lane of their famous songs.
The Beatles Invasion!
A great rest of your cruise, folks, and hopefully we will see you again soon from the Beatles Invasion.
After a great performance by the Beatles, the crew of the NCL Encore prepared a short but lovely songs for all the guests. The important people that made it possible for us to enjoy our vacation was given a standing ovation. It was a pleasure to meet each and every department that runs a cruise ship. At the end, the boys had a quick photo op with the captain.
Senior officers, led by Captain Yoel! We are a family, the pride of the land and sea, and wherever you roam, you'll find a home. We are a family, and in our hearts you'll always be.
We all had a quick nap to get ready for our dinner reservation at Food Republic. We had a 2 specialty dining as part of our cruise package, and we will be using our last one to eat some good sushi and Japanese food.
sushi bar. They have noodles, rice, soup, sugar pump. Sake, most are sold out. Cocktails. White wine by the glass. Got this one. Shades of blue. From Germany.
Everything we ordered was delicious. The calamari, beef skewers, and crispy tacos. All the specialty rolls are fresh, the beef salad is well made and tastes amazing. The service is top-notch. From making a custom roll for my son, we were very happy. To celebrate our wedding anniversary, we got a yummy cake.
Cocos for dessert.
Yeah, this morning.
We're getting this. Mini chocolate fountain. Tower of fresh fruit. Our fruit for the chocolate fountain.
Yeah, but what are the sticks?
Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Yee-hee.
Thank you.
Thank you. Are you
Yeah.
ready?
Get something else. Strawberry.
Something else, strawberry. Make sure you cover it. Oh, thank
Oh,
you.
thanks.
Okay, eat it. Yeah. Eli, go eat. Show daddy. The strawberry. Get strawberry.
I ate marshmallow.
Okay, one more strawberry. Yum.
A quick trip back to the arcade for our last night, and you will never believe what happened.
Dang. Good job. He just hit 2,000 jackpot. Woohoo! Yeah!
My son won so much, I think he jammed the ticket counter machine. Also, the machine ran out of tickets to give him all of the 2,000. We needed to call maintenance and had to wait a few minutes.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this time we are making our final call.
Just like that, we are back where we started in Seattle Pier 66. It was a fun and memorable first cruise trip for the whole family. But our adventure is not over yet. Make sure to subscribe for more travel content coming next.
Time to get off the boat. Time to get off the ship. Disembarkation day. Vacation is over. Now on to the next. It's been a great vacation, Norwegian Encore. We had a great experience. We had fun. The service is fantastic. We'll definitely do it again. We'll see you next time. Time to load more stuff for the next one. Thank you.
Thank you for coming along with us on this 7 days Alaska cruise via NCL Encore. We hope that you had fun as much as we did. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Your support goes a long way into helping our channel grow. Happy watching, and we will see you on our next video.